Description: simple and unique rotating styling barrel as easy as clamp, wrap, roll. Equipped with 440-degree full barrel, dual heaters for constant heat. 0.9 feet swivel cord. Benefits: quick and easy styling. Suggested use: digital temperature control up to 440 degrees Fahrenheit allows for variable heat for different hair types. Effortlessly create cascading waves or classic curls. Easy to use self-rolling barrel makes it easier to create the looks you want. This cutting-edge iron is our most user-friendly tool thanks to its patented rotating clamp technology, allowing you to effortlessly create cascading waves or classic curls in 3 easy steps: clamp, wrap, and roll. The cylindrical barrel infused with our Nano Ionic MX works to create healthier, more conditioned curls. Our signature Bio Ionic Moisturizing Heat locks in moisture and seals the cuticle while you style, so strands are softer and more conditioned. Easy to use self-rolling barrel makes it easier to create curls and waves. Customized styling dependent on barrel size. Bio Ionic Moisturizing Heat locks in hairs moisture for healthy, long-lasting curls. Digital temperature control up to 440 degrees Fahrenheit. Automatic shut off after 1 hour. 9-foot swivel cord. Top reviews from the United States. Makes perfect curls. I've had the 1-inch Bio Ionic Stylewinder for years and love it. I wanted a little smaller curls, so I purchased the 3/4 inch and now I love them both. So easy to use and they make perfect curls.